Good morning, mere friends. Yeah, so yesterday it was a very heavy day, work wise also. And like I shared about the story, I'm still thinking about my colleague who is right now dealing with this challenge because of she's so young. But that's what the takeaway from yesterday for life. Like everything is transient and everything is momentary, nothing remains. I'm just praying for that person, to be honest. Well, when I get up, I was just like fixing a cup of coffee for me. तो मैंने इंस्टा ऐसे ही ओपन किया, मतलब accidentally, and I came across one post. I mean, well, no offenses on a personal note, but I just got a question. I mean, शायद मतलब कमेंट में किसी ने वैसा क्वेश्चन भी नहीं लिखा था. देर इज़ अ पर्सन हु इज़ अ फेमस पर्सनैलिटी हु इज़ अ राइटर, और वो बहुत कुछ उनका एकेडमिक भी अच्छा था. ही डिड वेल इन हिज करियर ग्रोइंग ईयर्स एंड देन ही स्विच टू दिस करियर ऑफ आर्ट. तो उन्होंने ऐसे रैंडमली दैट पर्सन जस्ट केम एंड जस्ट स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि you don't get rich or you don't get money that much if you stick to the job culture. मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आती कि nobody wants to be nobody chooses कि किसी को नौकर बनना है, किसी की स्लेवरी करनी है, कि कोई भी इंसान चूज नहीं करेगा. बट अ मैन हैज क्रिएटेड दिस थिंग दैट इज अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. तो वो हर एक जन अपने अपने में भी what I can say, based on their best of abilities and their background, their circumstances, people try to make their life through out of it. तो मतलब I cannot be that black and white and blunt. If somebody doesn't do anything unconventional and just keep doing job, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि that is wrong, because not all people on this planet and world that they are that privileged that they will just by on their moods and whims fancies they'll just quit the job suddenly and they'll start doing something else. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक का शायद, आई मीन आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल पीपल हु आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट what should be done. Like in your early years, where school and college time, you are completely dependent on your family. There are some countries and some places where there is less dependence, and where the parents can't give you support. People choose the different career option or work. But the person who has talked is that you don't do it, follow your passion and just leave that work. I don't think so it will work with everyone. Some people have to do the job and do this kind of a conventional way of earning money due to their circumstances. Maybe they are the only source of income for their family. So I can't agree with that person fully that it is possible that okay, you can leave just because there is a politics or there is unfair unjust happening with you at workplace, so you just leave the job. I don't agree with it. I mean, इंसान जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे सोच अलग रहेंगे, थॉट्स अलग रहेंगे, और वहाँ पे लोग सोचेंगे अलग, कुछ करेंगे, ग्रुप बनाएंगे, ग्रुपिज्म करेंगे, बहुत कुछ चलेगा, बिकॉज ह्यूमन एनिमल हैज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड दैट वे. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो देर इज एन एस्केप फॉर इट. You just have to make the life through it at your best abilities and try to extract some happiness and joy out of what you are doing every day. For example, for me, expressing in front of all of you my friends. That's one of the source of happiness. I'm not doing it for business or, I mean, I don't have thought. I mean, it didn't trigger through that. If it goes in that direction, I will be happy that if it goes. But I think creativity cannot come under any pressure. लाइक आप ये सोचो कि आपको आपके ऊपर पूरी फैमिली डिपेंड है एंड यू हैव सम मेडिकल सिचुएशन एंड यू नीड टू पे मनी एंड एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू डू. How the creativity will come? I mean, mind has to be little bit stable, right? If you want some good thing come out of your mind. So I personally I'm not able to agree with that person's statement that there is a politics, you will never get money and you will never make a better life out of by doing job. I am not sure that is acceptable. आपको क्या लगता है? Just let me know and have a great Thursday. See ya. Good afternoon and good morning. शब बखैर. आई डोंट नो. मुझे भूख नहीं है आज ज़्यादा, सो आई एम गोइंग टू ईट दिस एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ सैलड बिकॉज यू नो दिस and that's it. Yeah, of course. This also, like salad, rice and this. So I am not hungry. However, मैंने breakfast नहीं किया था. But to be honest, I'm lost actually. मुझे ध्यान नहीं लग रहा है कहीं पे भी. Everything मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब खाली है, कुछ भी मीनिंग नहीं है. और आजकल हाँ बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है, मतलब हर एक जन ऐसा ज़िंदगी में एक्सपीरियंस लेता है कि जब उनको फील होता है कि कुछ नहीं है अभी रखा, या फिर ये सब टेम्पररी है, ये कुछ नहीं चलेगा, काम नहीं करेगा. मुझे पता है मैं बहुत अच्छे से भी एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ आज, बट आई डोंट नो. इज़ इट बिकॉज ऑफ यस्टरडेज इन्फ्लुएंस? पता नहीं क्या, मतलब मुझे इतना ही लगता है कि बहुत आर्ट इज़ द ओनली सोर्स विच कीप्स यू अलाइव एंड गिव यू ड्राइव टू लिव लाइफ. देयर इज़ नो अदर ड्राइव. आई मीन, तुम एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे पहुँच जाते हो कि जहाँ पे तुम्हें पैसे भी, तुम्हें या फेम, सक्सेस, जो भी कुछ हो वो भी सब तुम्हारे पैरों तले भी आ जाए तो भी आपको ऐसे लगता है कि अरे नहीं, कुछ कमी है, कुछ बाकी है. तो आई थिंक आर्ट can be the one way out, gateway to reach to that drive, motivation and zeal to live life. इतना बोल के मैं कंसंट्रेट करती हूँ मेरे लंच पे. चाओ. हेलो मेरे एरो, मेरे फ्रेंड्स. मेरा ऐसे मूड हो गया अभी. But the good thing is coming on the Saturday. I will share the surprise. Well, I just connected. I mean, I'm connecting, though I'm very tired. But the reason I'm connecting is I want to share a good news that yesterday I was extremely down because of the news from my team member I have shared, right? So that member is little bit recovering, but we know it now. We are sure that she'll go through, she'll make it through. So I just shared the sad news, but today there is a good news, and you just need to have a faith, right? I mean, days, not always bad days remain, not always good days remain. So you have to be humble to the time and believe on the process and trust the timing of life. But it was biggest relief. I mean, suddenly my load on my head and my heart has gone when I heard that news, and I got energy and I got cheered up. So Yes, but tomorrow is hectic day. We have an annual health check, so I'm going for that, and I will not be maybe able to catch up to say hi to all of you, but when I can, I will. Yeah.